Peeps! Very exciting. We are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg for the opening of Finnegan's Flyer. Today is opening day. There's a grand opening ceremony. We're going to get to ride the ride. They're going to film us riding the ride. You'll see my face, I think, as I ride the ride, and, you know, the view that I see. Lots of fun stuff. Oh, it's kicking off right now. Let's take a look. Here's a look at the entrance. It's right next to this giant tree guy, Toys of the Leprechaun. Finnegan's Flyer, wait time sign. So you'll queue up in here, and there it is. While we wait for our ride time, I wanted to talk to you guys about an opportunity to be in a future video on this channel. We see a lot of people going around the parks and conventions and stuff like that, and when we see them, sometimes folks want to be in the video and we have them do an intro, just a peeps at the beginning of one of our videos. But we don't always see you guys because you're not here. Well, what you can do is you can send a video to iompaul@outlook.com with the title introduction or whatever, and in the video just tell us who you are, where you're from, and say peeps, and we'll feature you at the beginning of a future video. I thought that would be a fun way to get you guys here on the channel and see where everyone is. My pockets, there's no loose articles allowed on the ride. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh. Off of the seat is pretty disconcerting. Okay, but we survived. That's actually a lot of fun. The first time I rode on the opposite side, like going that way. The second time I rode on this side, coming down this way. Totally different experience. This way is way scarier. Still a great, smooth ride, but I recommend riding on this side if you're in it for the thrills. The other side's a bit more relaxing, kind of beautiful view, trees in the park. This side, you're like facing the ground, and it's really cool. Hey, check this out. They're having Cinco de Mayo celebrations all weekend here at Busch Gardens. May 3rd through 5th. Come celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Beer specials, margaritas, and Cinco de Nachos. And here are the Cinco de Mayo specials. What they actually are. Cinco de Nachos, frozen margarita, and here are the beers on special. right, peeps. Finnegan's Flyer is officially open. We hope to see you here next time we come. In the meantime, make sure you hit the like and notification buttons down below. Make sure you subscribe to check out all the cool stuff that we have coming up from Busch Gardens Williamsburg, Water Country USA, Six Flags, and a couple of surprises along the way. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.